Jai Hind students, I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well, as in the first module of the British Raj and the First War of Independence, we saw and we came to know also about the European traders as well as the Arab traders. We came to know who was the first European to find the sea route to India, and then finally we saw one more thing, that is British defeated the other European traders and formed English East India Company. After that, we saw that how the British traders wanted to control our country, and the Battle of Plassey, which took in 1757. In this battle, how British defeated Shirajud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal, and started extending their control over most of the states in our country. Now in this module, we will see the discontent among the Indians. How the Indians, or why the Indians became discontent. What happened actually? Soon, when there was the widespread discontent among Indians, the reason was the officers of the East India Company, they used unfair means to get rich. The means which were used by them all were unfair. The farmers of our country were forced to grow crops such as indigo and cotton, and which provided the British with raw material for their factories, and British purchased those materials at a very low price. As a result, the farmers suffered a lot, and day by day they became poorer, while British got the huge profit. And indigo and cotton, which was actually forced by the Britishers to grow such crops in our Indian fields so that they can get more profit, because they were in need of indigo and cotton in their country. Soon one more means they adopted, that was the meal cloth, which was made by the British industries. They started selling those clothes in India, and the meal cloth was definitely cheaper and of better quality in the comparison of the cloth which was made by the local weaver. Again the same thing happened. More and more people of our country bought it, and the result was what? That Indian handloom industry, the workers, even the traders also suffered a lot. This was the one portion, one side, where British started taking unfair means. Now in the another portion, another side, British now they wanted and they made unjust laws through which they can control more and more kingdoms in our country. There was one law which we will discuss now, that was, if the ruler died without a child, his kingdom would be taken over by the British. And this made the kings and nawabs of our country very unhappy. Many of the Indians, the farmers, workers, traders and rulers, were angry and dissatisfied with the British rule. Whenever such a situation exists, there are chances of a revolt or an uprising. People forget their fears and their differences, and by the time they came together and to fight against the rulers. This happened in India in 1857, and a small incident started a revolt that quickly spread through the population. This much only in this module. For the further module, please stay tuned. Jai Hind. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.